Salam Namaste. Welcome back to our channel Mummy and Me. സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യാത്തവർ പ്ലീസ് 2 സെക്കൻഡ് ടൈം എടുത്തിട്ട് ഞങ്ങളുടെ ചാനൽ സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യുക. ഞങ്ങൾ അപ്ലോഡ് ചെയ്യുന്ന വീഡിയോസ് നിങ്ങൾക്ക് അപ്പോൾ കാണണമെങ്കിൽ ആ ബെൽ ഐക്കൺ കൂടി അമർത്തുക. Now, without any further ado, let's get started.
Hello beautiful people, how are you all? I hope everyone's doing great and fine. So today we'll be making some yum apratim kotambir vadi. Yes, you all heard me right. We're gonna make something Maharashtrian finally, like after a long journey of making everything gujju. Like we made khichu, we made khandvi, we made dokla. Kya nahi bana hum logon ne gujju types. So and finally we decided to make something Marathi and Maharashtrian. So like गणपति इज गोइंग ऑन राइट नाउ एंड वाइब मैच होता है. कोतंबीर वड़ी बनाने वाले हैं आज हम लोग फाइनली. तो बेसिकली फॉर द पीपल हु डोंट नो व्हाट कोतंबीर वड़ी इज, इट्स बेसिकली अ महाराष्ट्रियन स्नैक्स डिश या समथिंग लाइक दैट. सो ये स्नैक्स के तरह खाया जाता है, लाइक फॉर इवनिंग स्नैक्स चाय के साथ थोड़ा कुरमुरा जैसे खाना है. तो दैट इज़ व्हाट. एंड कोतंबीर वड़ी मेन इंग्रेडिएंट है धनिया, कोथमीर. सो ड नाम से पता चलता है, बट स्टिल फॉर द पीपल हु डोंट नो, ലൈക്ക് നമ്മൾ മലയാളി വ്യൂവേഴ്സ് ആരെങ്കിലും ഉണ്ടെങ്കിൽ നിങ്ങളൊക്കെ വിചാരിക്കുന്നു വടി എന്താ പറയുന്നത്. നോ, ഇത് അടിക്കാനുള്ള വടിയല്ല, ഇത് കഴിക്കാനുള്ള വടിയാണ്. तो वड़ी जो the word वड़ी means like we call like vada and you know थोड़ा एक crispy type of thing, that's वड़ी in Marathi. So നിങ്ങൾക്കെല്ലാവർക്കും നിങ്ങളെല്ലാവരും വിചാരിക്കേണ്ടാവും വടി എന്ന് ഏത് കുട്ടീനെ അടിക്കാൻ പോകേണ്ടതല്ല, അങ്ങനെ ഒന്നും ചെയ്യണ്ട. ഇത് കഴിക്കാനുള്ള വടിയാണ്. അപ്പോൾ ഈ വീഡിയോ എന്തായാലും തീർച്ചയായിട്ടും കാണാം, ബിക്കോസ് ദിസ് ഇസ് സംതിങ് ന്യൂ ഫോർ ഓൾ ഓഫ് യു, ഫോർ ദ മലയാളി വ്യൂവേഴ്സ് ഐ എം ടോക്കിംഗ്. ഓക്കെ, സോ യാ, ദിസ് ഇസ് സംതിങ് ന്യൂ ഫോർ ഓൾ ഓഫ് യു. ആൻഡ് യെസ്, ഐ ഗെസ് ഇനി I will not talk too much and we will go and make some yumzy कोतंबीर वड़ी, बिकॉज मुझे भी बहुत टाइम हुआ है खा के. एंड येस, लेट्स गो. बट वेट, फर्स्ट go subscribe to this to our channel and then let's get started with the video. Alright, done? Alright, so without any further ado, now officially we will start the video peacefully. Okay, so here's all the ingredients we need to make a kotambir vadi. So here we have 2.5 cup of besan, here namak and some rice powder. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this besan and 3 cup of water and we're gonna make a mixture out of it. So these are the measurements you need. So yeah, let's go to the next step. So now we're gonna start the process. We started adding the besan and yes, now we'll add 2 spoon of rice powder, 2 tablespoon here, and namak swad anusar. Here we're taking how much?
1.5.
Yeah, 1.5 teaspoon. And now is the part where you need to be most careful. We're gonna add water, 3 cups of water. So dheere we have to keep on adding water, and the consistency,
there shouldn't be any lumps also.
So that's the reason dheere we're gonna add water. So now once you see no lumps, that is the time when you can use the beater. And
no, otherwise also slowly, no need to close that.
So now we've kept our kadai and उसमें we will add तेल. And let the तेल heat. Now our oil is quite heated, so we're gonna add jeera into it. Add some jeera, and now we'll be adding some peanuts into it. Now I have roasted all my peanuts, so it's all right. If you do not have roasted peanuts, you can roast it or fry it over here. There you go. Now this is something optional. You can add garlic and chili into this if you would want to, otherwise peanuts are all fine. And because mummy and me, we love something, you know, to munch on, so we have added finely chopped chili and garlic into our kotambir vadi ka this thing. Mama mummy, Mava what? Mixture. So we are preparing the inside part of it now.
Correct.
We are preparing the actual kotambir vadi now. So nicely saute.
Yeah, nicely saute.
Saute it. And now we'll be adding thoda sa namak again.
Because it is already here. It is already here, no? When we made the
and also
batter,
we are gonna add sugar.
That
Little.
also
It's optional. So if you love tanginess and all in your kotambir vadi, then you should go for sugar. Otherwise it's completely optional, so just ignore the sugar part. And now we'll be adding 1 teaspoon of haldi, because haldi
is always nice, no, for the stomach. And
haldi is good. Haldi is very beneficial. So we have added haldi also, and nicely mix all the stuffs in that. And now we'll be needing water. 1 glass of water. So yeah, let go. There you go. We have 1 glass of water into our kadai.
Yeah. Let this boil.
Yeah.
Then we will add our pehle ka mixture. Yeah.
The besan ka mixture which we had kept aside.
Yeah.
We're gonna add after this
Just
water
boil,
just gets a boil. So let's see the next step. Okay, so जो कढ़ाई में हम लोगों ने पानी डाला था, that has started boiling, yeah mummy?
Yeah.
So now what we are gonna do is we are gonna add our besan ka mixture into this. Yes.
Slowly. There shouldn't be any lumps, huh?
Yeah, so while mixing, be careful कि कोई lumps ना create हो. And what you gotta do is continuously stir. Do not stop stirring. And this is the consistency right now. And now the next clip will be of the consistency we need, the final consistency for making our kotambir vadi. Yeah. So I guess I'll show you the next clip. So that is our kotambir vadi ka thing in progress. So what you gotta do is keep your flame medium pe, because we don't need to.
It should cook properly.
It should cook, and we don't need to take any risk कि फटाफट. We have आराम का time, and so आराम से we'll make our kotambir vadi. So yeah, medium flame पे रखना, ध्यान देना medium flame पे ही हो. So yeah.
Some people, they will make this mixture and they will boil it.
So
I mean in the idli cooker or some.
basically that is the way you do. But then इतना टाइम क्यों हम लोग वेस्ट करें, हमको खाना भी है. So we are gonna do it quite instant types.
Yeah.
Just the way we did our instant dhokla. And if you haven't seen that, it will be the first link in the description below. Okay, so let's go and see. The mixture is getting ghatta now. If you can see, wait, focus, camera G. Okay, yeah, you can see the mixture is getting gaढ़ा.
It is cooking very nicely.
Yeah. So make sure ये अच्छा सा cook हो, क्योंकि ये बेसन है and we don't want बेसन to get stored in our tummy. So make sure अच्छे से cook हो and थोड़ा गाढ़ा हो and look at that, it's boiling.
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
nicely getting cooked.
It's nicely getting cooked. So now I'll be showing you कि इसके बाद क्या करना है and what is the final consistency we need for कोतंबीर वड़ी. So let's go. So my dear people, this is the consistency of our kothambir vadi. Look at how gaada our mixture has become, and now it is finally the time to add apna kothmir raja into this. We've added it.
2 cups of
2 cups of kothmir. Oh my god, how fresh. Now we'll mix it with the mixture.
Yeah.
And now we can officially say ki our kothambir vadi is almost ready. Now this is just the half part of the preparation, yeah?
Yeah. Again we have to make
So
it,
like
let it
basically
cool.
how people make kothambir vadi is first they make the besan ka this thing and thoda sa they'll do this.
Vagar
After
type they will
vagar type they'll do no, they'll add all this
Yeah.
kothambir and then what they do is they keep this for buffing and buffing.
boiling.
Sorry, they keep this for steaming.
Steam,
It's not
yeah.
boiled. They keep this kothambir vadi for steaming in या तो कढ़ाई
Idli.
पे या idli, the way how we steamed our dhokla, and that way people do. But we're not gonna do any sort of mehnat in this. Yeah.
This also.
No, this is थोड़ा सा मेहनत, but उतना मेहनत नहीं कि ये करो.
This is
फिर-
very easy only.
हाँ, this is sort of instant kothambir vadi types, or you can say another
See now,
way to make kothambir vadi.
it is came
Now
out of the
अब कढ़ाई से वो निकल रहा है, so that means it's all
Fresh.
cooked and our kothambir is in. So what we got to do now is
we will keep it
grease.
for
Now first you थोड़ा सा ये ठंडा होने दो. Turn off the heat.
yeah.
Turn off the heat, and then what you gotta do is grease up एक what do you call square या circle जैसा एक tin. What we are gonna use, we are gonna use a thali, and उसमें we gotta do circle square pieces cut करने हैं वड़ी का piece. So मैं ऐसे बोलूँगी तो आपको बिल्कुल समझ नहीं पड़ेगा. So in the next clip I'll be showing you कि क्या कैसे करना है. तो chillax ये पहले थोड़ा एक 5-10 मिनट let this cool down. See the धुआं is getting off. Let the steam get all off, and then we'll see the next step. So people, this is our कोथमीर वड़ी already, and देखो यार कैसा बना है. Look at this. Look at this vadi, bro. How gorgeous. It's soft and nicely cooked. So we're gonna fry this in the next clip. Now अभी ये बहुत yummy दिख रहा है. तो without any further ado, let's get on to the frying part. और इतना, and the places you can see खाली those are being fried by mummy. Yes, mummy?
Yeah,
You're frying?
I'm free.
Alright, we're all good to go. So fasten your seatbelts and let's go fry these kothmeer buddies. Alright, now our kothmeer vadi is all ready to be fried, and here our kadai is there, एंड ये अपना फ्राई हुएला है ऑलरेडी. फोकस यस, लुक द गोल्डन ब्राउन टेक्सचर एंड लेट्स गो. कम ऑन, 1 2 शाबाश. लुक एट द ब्यूटी, अति सुंदर. बी केयरफुल विथ योर हैंड. इसके लिए मैं नहीं तल रही हूँ एंड मम्मी कर रही है सब. एंड यू गोटा गेट इट इनटू सम. तो आपको ये गोल्डन ब्राउन कलर करवाना है इसको. ऐसे बात कर रही है, गोइंग टू सैलून एंड गेटिंग अ हेयर कलर डन. ओके, सो वी गोटा गेट दिस गोल्डन ब्राउन कलर एंड देन ये निकालो ऐसे, जो मैं नेक्स्ट क्लिप में दिखाऊंगी क्या कलर है, कैसा होना चाहिए. एंड हाँ वैसा है सब. okay, इतना क्रिस्पी नहीं, थोड़ा और क्रिस्पी. हाँ क्रिस्पी भी चाहिए. एंड यू कैन टेस्ट इट ऑल्सो कैसा बना है एंड एन्जॉय द. सकते हैं मम्मी? ओके, सो आर इंस्टेंट, नो दिस इज नॉट इंस्टेंट. हाँ, so our kothmir vadi is all ready. So the next clip will be of the color and texture we need, that is required. So let's see that and then उसके बाद तो आपको पता ही है क्या होने वाला है. we're gonna taste and मज़े लेने वाले हैं कोथमीर वड़ी के. तो let's go. Alright you people, so firstly we're gonna try how our kothambir vadi tastes. So chillax, I'll be adding how this kothambir vadi looks in the next clip, so chill. Now हम देखेंगे कैसा है खाने में. So this is my vadi, y'all can see. Okay wait, okay, so this is our vadi and now I'm gonna be breaking this into 2 pieces. Okay, it's quite hot. It's quite hot and I'm gonna eat this with ketchup. But the perfect Maharashtrian combination is to eat kothambir vadi, to eat mint chutney and imli ka chutney with this vadi. So right now वो तो नहीं है घर पे, लेकिन बनाएंगे थोड़ी देर में. And for now I'll be eating my vadi with ketchup, which सबके घर में होगा. तो yes, let's go. Apratim, this is too good. So this is a recipe you all should try at home. And इसके साथ, if no not इसके साथ, इसके अलावा if you're on a track of like healthy खाना है, fried नहीं खाना है, chill. हमको I mean we have a solution for that too. We have अपना non fried, fry नहीं किया हुआ कोतंबीर वड़ी. So this is how it looks like. Okay, so this is not fried and I don't know how it tastes like, but let's see. So ये एक वड़ी ली है मैंने and I'll be breaking it to half and let's eat. Surprisingly this tastes good, but मेरे को ये नहीं पसंद है. मेरे को तलेला ही पसंद है क्योंकि we all love fried foods. So do try this recipe of how to make kothambir vadi at home and share it with your family and friends and खाओ यार, मज़ा करो, मज़े करो. लाइफ में ये नहीं खाया तो क्या खाया. हाँ, तो do make sure to like this video, share this video with your family and friends, and please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Also we have a Facebook page if you don't know yet, so I'll be linking the link in the description below. It will be the first link in the description. And yes, now I'm done with my video. Now you all can peacefully eat your kothambir vadi with chutney or ketchup or whatever you have at home. And yes, that is all. So take care of yourselves and your loved ones until we meet next time. Hasta la vista.